software, you can make your work on computers easier. Do you know what is software? Software is a program through which you are able to work on the computer. We can divide all available software into two parts. System software. This is the software which makes a computer user or programmer makes when he is working on Windows on the computer. Application software. These are those softwares which a user installs on his computer to use as per their daily needs. Or we can simply say that software is such a program which we cannot touch. However, we can see the program and make use of it. Do you know what is OpenOffice.org? OpenOffice is a software which you can use on any computer because it is free of cost. So, you don't have to pay and buy the software and can download it from the internet absolutely free of cost. OpenOffice software has been built by Apache Foundation. By now, you must be wondering, what is OpenOffice used for? You can use OpenOffice for work that you are doing on your computer, for making things like making documents, creating presentations, projects, maintaining data for school or office, etc. OpenOffice is very similar to MS Office. Do you know what are the components of MS Office? As you may already know, MS Office has many components like MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, etc. Similarly, OpenOffice also has many components which are text document, which we call Writer. This is like MS Word. Presentation, which is also called Impress. This is just like MS PowerPoint. Spreadsheet, which we call Calc. This is like MS Excel. Let us now begin learning OpenOffice. Go ahead and power on your computers. Can you tell what is the proper method of powering on a laptop or a notebook computer? If you are using a laptop or a notebook computer, then while with your left hand you hold down the lower portion, with your right hand you pull up the top portion as is being shown in the video. Now, to power it on, look for the power button and press it once. Your laptop will start powering up as is being shown in the video. Can you tell what is the difference between a mouse and a touchpad? We use the mouse with desktop computers and the touchpad with laptop or notebook computers. Can you tell how many buttons are there on a mouse? The mouse has 3 buttons. We use the left button to open a file or a folder. We use the right button to select an option in a file or a folder. Using the third button, the scroll button, you can scroll the page up or down. Can you say why we use the mouse or touchpad? We use the mouse or touchpad to take a pointer from one place to another on the computer screen. What we will learn in today's class is What is text document or writer? What are the features of text document or writer? What are the differences between MS Office Word and OpenOffice Writer? How do we open Writer? We will also learn about the documents in Writer and about the use of keyboard. We will also learn how we write in Writer from the keyboard. What are the differences between delete and backspace keys? We will also know about the arrow keys. Then we will also get to know how and for what are the caps lock button and the shift button used. Do you know what is Writer? In OpenOffice, Writer contains text documents and it is used for work in offices, schools, homes, metro stations, railway stations, and many other places. It helps us in writing things about what we want to note down and be able to recall in the future. The main features of Writer are: Writer is a text document in which we can type anything we like. Using Writer, besides typing, we can also make pictures, tables, and charts. We can convert our document into PDF files directly. You will learn later about what PDF is. Let us now learn what are the differences between OpenOffice Writer and MS Word. We use MS Word and OpenOffice Writer for the same work. Just as we use MS Word for making documents, typing text and formatting it, merging text, etc., we use OpenOffice Writer also for the same tasks. Let us learn how we open Writer files. The method of opening Writer files is different in Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. You would be using one of these Windows versions. Right now, you will learn about how to open Writer files in Windows 7. Later, you will watch a video to learn how to open Writer files in Windows 8 and Windows 10. You can open a Writer file in different ways. One is a stepwise method and the other is the shortcut command method. First, you will learn the stepwise method. So let us now watch the video and learn how to open the file. First, take your pointer to the start button and press once the left button on your touchpad or mouse. A box will appear and you need to click on the All Programs option with your left button. Next, look for the OpenOffice option and click on it with the left button of your mouse or touchpad. Then click on the OpenOffice Writer with the left button, which will open the Writer file. Have you all been able to open the Writer file or no? If not, then you should watch the video again. Let us now look at the Writer page and try to understand some of its important components. Look at the picture being shown to you. This is a picture of an OpenOffice page. You can see in this picture that on this page, some lines have been drawn and their names are shown. Let us learn about them. If you look at the top of the writer page, where you can see an arrow-like symbol, you can also see the words Untitled 1, OpenOffice Writer written there. This is called the title bar. The title bar tells us the file's name, the component's name, and also the name of the software. For example, if we look here, it says Untitled 1, which shows that this file is not yet saved. Had this file been saved, we would see the name of that file here. Also, written here are the words openoffice.org, which is the name of the software. In the end, you also see writer is written. This is the name of the component of OpenOffice which we are using. The next picture is telling us about the menu bar. Do you know what is a menu bar? Menu bar is the most important part of Writer. It is from here that we get to do all our work related to the file, like formatting text, merging documents, or saving files, etc. The menu bar contains all these options. The menu bar has the options for File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Table, Tools window, and Help. You would be able to see small pictures below the menu bar. These symbols are known by different names, but we call all of them collectively as standard toolbar. Do you know what is a standard toolbar? Standard toolbar is a shortcut method by which a user, as per his requirements, can modify it himself, and you can use those options directly from there. Look at this given picture carefully. Just below the standard toolbar, you see B, I, U, color, etc. This is called the formatting toolbar. Do you know what is formatting? On any selected paragraph or line, any changes that you make, like changing the style of writing a word or changing its size or changing the color of a word or highlighting a word, all these kinds of changes being made on a line or any paragraph are collectively called formatting. Using the formatting bar, we can change the writing style, make the letters bigger or smaller or bold. We can write the words in italics, underline the written text, change the color of the text, or even the color of the background.